mga kapatid. Diba? Yeah, there. So, here is Felix. So blessed to have been part of the kingdom. This is the Asay. Then, walking. Maglalakad lang po tayo. So, this is where we were. Actually, this gasoline, hindi lang po dalawa. This is the new building. Itong building na yan. This building na to is siya lang ang natira after 1990. May tatlo. Actually, may tatlo sa likod niyan. And then, dun sa upper part, meron din doon. That's where we were before the 1990 earthquake. So, may fire truck sa taas. And after 1990 blessing, kasi April, I think it's April 1990 nung nag-transfer na kami sa proper main camp sa building 32. However, yung building doon is nahulog, nag-crash. So marami kami dyan noon. And then many of them transferred sa heliport. So that's how happened. So this is where Felix is. We're walking. Yung bundok na yon, yung may flat doon, that's where the high school is. Nilalakad po yan ng mga kasama nating estudyante mula noon from here. Yon, meron pa doon, sa bahay na doon. So wala pong masyadong sumasakay. So nilalakad talaga from upper camp going to high school. That's almost half kilometer siguro or more. Nilalakad din namin. Pero hindi kami nagrereklamo. Kami po ay ang mga Amazon. So we were part of the grown-up years of Felix na isang mga mabubuting mga kabataan. So dear. Good morning. So this is how we are. So much blessings, diba? Ganda. This is the city on a hill, on a mountain. This is Felix, the community.